Ford says it's what's happening inside this electric vehicle assembly plant at the Dearborn Rouge complex is a Model T moment of the 21st century. The Model T was a game changer for the auto industry when it was first introduced in 1908. It was assembled at Ford's Highland Park plant on Woodward Avenue. 15 million were built through 1927. Ford is comparing the new all-electric F-150 Lightning pickup to the Model T because of that phrase, affordability for the masses. I asked Ford Executive Chairman Bill Ford about the comparison.
Bill, I never heard anyone say today this is the Model T moment of the 21st century.
You bet it is. It is the Model T moment, for us anyway.
Because?
Well, because, the Model T changed everything, and it put vehicles into reach of the average person, and we're pricing this truck, it was very deliberate to make sure that this is not a truck for the elites. This is a truck within reach of many people. We wanted that to happen.
Good. And Ford is touting this as the Model T event of the 21st century. Is that right?
I think in a lot of ways it is. This vehicle is, of all the EVs that have come to market in the last couple of years and that are coming, this one has probably one of the most significant in terms of bringing electric vehicles to a really mainstream audience. This is the single biggest selling vehicle, biggest selling platform for Ford and for many of the other manufacturers, and to be the first one to bring an electric full-size truck, I think is really critical. And given what we've seen so far of consumer acceptance of this vehicle, the number of pre-orders they got, and the order conversion rate they're having, this really does have the potential to be, whether they sell 14 million or whatever it was, the number of Model Ts in the next few years, we'll see. But yeah, certainly in modern times, it's one of the most important vehicles that Ford has ever launched.